बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पुलिस स्टेनो टेस्ट रिकॉर्डेड बाय सदाम चौधरी बाबा फरीद शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग भावनगर। Government may allow an officer to continue against his assignment abroad even after the expiry of 5 years on the request of the officer or his employer full stop. However, in all such cases, the officer's name will be removed from the existing seniority list and placed on a separate static list with no claim to promotion or to seniority over any junior who may be promoted during this period full stop. An officer's name would be brought back on the seniority list only after he resumes duty on return full stop. In such cases also the officer must earn a confidential report for 1 full year before he is considered for promotion full stop. If approved for promotion, he will not regain his seniority full stop. He will be assigned seniority in the higher post only from the date he assumes its charge full stop. New paragraph. All ministries divisions are requested to bring the above instructions to the notice of all civil servants already serving on deputation abroad and those allowed to proceed on deputation in future full stop. I am directed to refer to the subject cited above and to reiterate the deputation policy of the government of the Punjab enunciated in finance department, government of the Punjab, which prescribed the terms and conditions of deputation of government servants under the control of the administrative departments, regardless of whether such deputation is to autonomous or local bodies or to another government or to another department or provincial government full stop. New paragraph. Similarly, when allowing a provincial government employee to stay away on deputation, it must be clearly established by the department that his staying away is in the larger public interest and also establish that there is no material loss on balance to the provincial government full stop. It may further be stated that Governor of Punjab has been pleased to emphasize that he would like the provincial government to bring the deputation to from Punjab in line with the principles enunciated above full stop. He has further desired to see the information within due date and time full stop. I am, therefore, directed to request you to kindly furnish this department positively, with the lists of all such cases of official whose deputation extension in full stop.